Thank you, Double C. You're so kind. That's very sweet of you. Ba? If you have gifters, basa, bolero. Bakit baliktad yung pangalan mo? Basa, bolero. So sweet niyo naman. Twerk. Yung marunong mag-twerk. Gusto ko lang ngayon. Ang tigas ng katawan. Halatang walang practice. Halatang walang practice sa atin yan. Tingin na kailan natin. Turn to the right. To right. To the right, to the left, to the left, to the left. AJ Paras. AJ Paras. Welcome to our live. Name. Totoong AJ. Belkan. Metin. Nakapagod. Basta magla-live tayo hanggang antukin ako. Inaantok na ako. Namanatan. Ba't may galit? Back view. Grabe naman dyan. Wala kang jowa pero may galit. Ano yan? Bakit kaya galit dyan? Dyan. Sukot ni Jan. Jan, good morning Jan, baby. There you go. Ko yun yung sinasabi mo, pero parang ano ka? I'll kick you out, guys, pag hindi kayo maayos. Mayos kayo. Hindi ako natutuwa. Dami na palang dumakan. Nyamanatan! Wala na ni Jan. Jan! 39. Hamza. I'm good, darling. How about you, Hamza? Good morning to you. Anyway, wala na nag-gift sa inyo. Nobody's sending gifts now, so I'll go soon. Nobody wants to receive my best gift. I was about to give something special. Ano mo yun? Photo. A photo of me. One of my favorite. Asa ng butas. Ayun. Yeah. I will give it to the top gifters, sender of gifts right now. I will send him my most requested favorite photo. And maybe you want to see my real look without the filter of Bigo. Enzo, darling, I only follow up if you spend some gifts for me. Yeah. newcomers. Mga Balyido, Ilocano na. Thank you, Hamza. Maybe you can support me. Come on, guys. Wala pa nagsusupport since nag-live ako. So, I'm losing my energy. You need to help me. O gusto nyo lang lagi ng back view. Hindi na bumababa yung 300 to ano natin, back view. This is my right side, left side, front side, front side, tapos, ang ating back side. Ciao! Maybe I will follow you back kung you are a supporter and gifter. Okay? Thank you. Ang bilis ng oras. So, spender ka where? Show me, darling. That is hot. Thank you. No, I'm not married, darling. I'm single, and I don't want to be in a relationship, so don't bother. I want to stay single forever, po. Leave me alone. Di ako marunong mag-twerk. Lang. 1, 2, 3. Magpa-practice ako. Di huwag ka maniwala attitude ng mga bagong post. Darling, I've been in Bigo for a long time. Kaya na ako nag-live dito sa Pinas. So, gusto mong mag-goodbye, pagbibigyan kita. Come here. Diba? O follow back lang ako. If you have evidence, you cannot demand without sending anything, darling. You know? Or kick out yourself. Don't be so demanding. Diba? Yan. Tuloy, pati cellphone ko sumasama na sa yung napapatabing yang punta. Pati bubok, di na alam kung saan ba itong Thank you, David. Thank you for watching, guys. You're so nice and so kind. Maybe you would like to see my laughter. Laughter natin. Laughter. This is the laughter. Left side. Ang marunong sumayaw. Paano ba kasi sumayaw? How to dance? Like teddy bear pala. Enter like teddy bear. Diba? Di marunong. Ang bata yan, show feet. Yan na naman yung mga paborito ng paa. Tara! Paa. Here's my Wata, shiwa. Ano to? Ice mash. You see my feet? Size 37.5. There is my feet, darling. I have a French tip nail polish in it, if you can see. You see that? Yeah. You want to see the left foot? Here's my left foot. We have delivery. Sarap ng pa. Yung mahilig ng paa. For the first time, maraming nagsasabi minsan, pero overseas yung mga may fetish sa paa. Ikaw siguro yung nagkikis mula paa pataas. Yung iba naman sa kilikili. Amoy ng kilikili ko, Nivea White. Nivea White na, ano yan, extra whitening. Yun ang amoy. Mabango, amoy mayaman. Diba? Kahit sa amoy man lang, mag-amoy mayaman tayo, diba? That's why I love Nivea. Oops! Dami na pala ako nakaligtaan. Sarap talaga. Short naman dyan, Idol David. Friend Sandy. Ate. Yan naman ate. How old are you guys? My son, my eldest is turning 20 in December. So, you better be older than him. Kung hindi, mami nyo lang ako. Hello, Jay. Oh, yes. Tangy boy. Ano ba? Pastek. Roland Media. AJ. Sa ID. Hindi ako marunong mag-twerk, guys. Turuan niyo ako paano mag-twerk. Twerk. Hello. One. Ay! Saglit. Andiyan na yung flash delivery. Tada! Kukunin ko lang yung flash delivery ko, guys, ha? Nakakahiya naman kung ano. Hindi tayo sunod. 107. Ano yan? 107. Ano ba yan?